Ragazzi, everyone, and welcome again in the race review of Dutch Grand Prix. So yesterday is FP3 and qualifying review. So this is now is the race review. So simulan na natin dito sa race start nila. Floor to the floor. And heavy rain in Zandvoort. It's lights out and away we go. So pagdating dito, nag-lock up na dito si start pa lang, nag-lock up na kaagad si Russell. And maganda rin yung start ni Sainz dito. Si tignan natin yung lock up dito ni Russell. Turn 1 kaagad. So pagdating dito si Russell, ayan, nag-lock up, nag-lock up. And maganda rin yung start ni na Albon, then ni Sainz, then Norris as well. So mabuti na lang yung nag-lock up si Russell, he managed to control his Mercedes without causing a collision. So pagdating dito, turn 1 is Charles Leclerc on this one. Could we see may sira ang end plate ng front wing ni Leclerc dito. I think ito ang nangyari sa end plate ng front wing ni Leclerc. I think this is Oscar Piastri. At bago muna pala yun, nakalimutan kong sabihin, bago mag formation lap, binigyan ng 5 I think 10 seconds time penalty si Liam Lawson for impeding in the pit lane. Wala tayong kuhanan sayang So pagdating ka agad ng pagdating ng lap 41, Leclerc is retiring because dahil parang medyo mapanganib na ang situation pag kapag sasali para si Leclerc. Sinabi ni Savi yun. Ito lang masasabi ko kay Savi. Sana dapat ano muna, tinanong nyo muna si Leclerc pagdating dito, kasi may chance pa pinag-retire nyo kaagad, wala na mga damage, napalitan naman yung front wing ni Leclerc sa damage ng end plate nun. Pero hindi kailangan mag-retired ni Charles dito, Savi. He has a chance. Tubad lang, ito lang masasabi ko sana kay Savi. Please let's be honest. Let's be honest na Ferrari needs a better and smarter strategist. Pagdating naman dito, 9 ata to, 9, oh. Leclerc, tama si Leclerc, then pagkatapos nun, kaya nakuha ni Gasly yung third position, ang third position dahil slow pit stop din ang nangyari sa Aston Martin kaya Alonso. Same here, slow pit stop din kay, I guess this is Leclerc. Slow pit stop din ang nangyari dito sa Ferrari. Just like in qualifying session, Logan Sargent nag-crash ulit. Let's see what. Tama. I guess this is turn 3. No. Turn 14, I guess. So next, at kaya rin na nakuha ni kaya ulit dito nabawi naman ni Alonso, ni Manong Alonso yung position niya as second place, no? Dahil si Sergio Perez goes wide, nadulas, and mabuti na lang hindi soft lang ang pagkabunggo niya sa one of the barriers. Then he rejoins the race. This is in sector 1. Yellow flag in sector 1. Checo Perez. So there's many rumors na ang gagamitin daw na livery, na special livery para sa Ferrari is yung ginamit sa 24 hours Le Mans. Hindi ko pa sure. I think i-reveal na nila yon pagdating ng race week. And this is Zhou Guanyu and Valtteri no, but tama, Zhou Guanyu and Valtteri Bottas. Can we see Valtteri Bottas goes white, but Zhou was crashed out. hindi na nai-control ni Zhou ang kanyang Alfa Romeo car except for Bottas still manage for region. Therefore, Zhou Guanyu is out of the race, but ito pa. I think dito ata yung kay Yuki Tsunoda dahil sabay medyo halos sabay lang rin. Parang nangyari yung kina Norris and then yung kaya Ricardo. Ito. Yung nakapag-rejoin naman si Yuki Tsunoda dito, he has given a 5 seconds time penalty for I think causing a collision. But therefore, Yuki Tsunoda got out in the race. And ito naman, this is so this is Checo Perez. Hindi na napansin ni Checo na may red flag pala. Yung red flag na yun, ayun yung kay kina Zhou Guanyu and yung kay Yuki Tsunoda. Ayun yung red flag. Ngayon, itong yung na-release si Checo sa pit lane, nasa over limit ang pagtakbo ng RB19 ni Checo dito. Hindi na napansin ni Checo yung red flag. He forgot to slow down. So Checo Perez has given a 10 seconds time penalty for causing a collision. 10 seconds time penalty for speeding in the pit lane. And here's may mga fireworks na. And then Max Verstappen crossed the line and wins the Dutch Grand Prix. So ito ang pangalan ng tigawayway ng checker flag, no? Ito. Inuwanan ko pa talaga yan, ha. This is Martin Garrix. Yung sa Monaco, pinakita naman si Tom Holland. Pero parang artista din ata tong isa na to, eh. Hindi ko alam. Or isa siyang isa rin siya sa mga marshals. So here's the results in the race. Here's the top 3. So Max Verstappen is first, and second is Alonso, third is Gasly. Yung standings ngayon ng sa Ferrari sa constructor sa championship standings. Okay. I think may chance na yung yung Aston Martin sa strategy. Kung ang third pwedeng makuha ang third position ng ng Ferrari, yung position ng Aston Martin sa constructors championship standings. Pero sa drivers naman, Leclerc and Russell is both tied up, tie pa rin sila sa standings. Then si Carlos Sainz biglang tumaas ang kanyang points. I think 102, I guess. Good luck na lang sa ating Ferrari boys. So sa ating Ferrari boys. And sa Tuesday, bukas, the purple sector, 8 p.m. doon ang nire-review nila bukas, syempre yung nire-review ko ngayon, ang sorry, I think isasama na rin ata nila yung FP2, or sasabihin lang nila yung dahil sa FP2 na injured si Danny Rick. And get well soon na Danny Rick. Okay, here's the top 10 winner, top 10 in the Dutch Grand Prix. Of course, Max Verstappen is first, Alonso second, Gasly is third, fourth is Checo Perez with a 10 seconds time penalty for speeding in the pit lane. Carlos Sainz 1, 2, I think, yes, tama, Carlos Sainz is 5th. 6 is Hamilton. 6 is Hamilton. 7 is Lando Norris. 8 is Albon. 9 is Piastri. And 8 and 10 is Esteban Ocon. So that's the top 10. So see you ulit in see you na lang sa Monza. Tingnan natin kung ano ba ang special livery, kung meron bang special livery ang Ferrari. So see you again. See you in Monza, Italy. See you guys. That's it.